Hello everyone, today is going to be the first video in a series of videos that we will be creating here at LifeWork Search that you can leverage to better understand how to use ChatGPT to improve your chances of finding a new job. So ChatGPT can be a great tool to support your efforts in preparing for a job interview. And just as a quick disclaimer for you guys, while ChatGPT can be a valuable tool to assist you in your job search efforts, it is essential to exercise caution and not directly copy and paste the generated content without proper review first. The output provided by ChatGPT should serve as a resource for ideas and suggestions, but it is advisable to thoroughly fact-check and customize the content to align with your unique circumstances. For this week's example, we're going to be using ChatGPT to help us craft our resume for a demand planning manager role. So first, you're going to want to go to chat.openai.com and sign up. Once you are logged in, you can type or ask ChatGPT anything you want in the message bar. So I'm going to type in the message bar that I am looking to create a resume for a demand planning manager role. I'm also going to add all of my previous experience in a similar role. So sometimes when asking ChatGPT to create certain things like a resume, it will provide you with an answer that is written in code, which is not what we want to do today. This is an example of what an answer written in code would look like. So if this happens to you, just type "do not write in code" at the end of your prompt like I did here in the highlighted section, and that should provide you with an answer that is written in the correct format. And then once I have written all my previous experience that I want to add, I will submit it, and as you can see, ChatGPT has given me a sample resume, and we can just look through this and see if we want to craft any of it any further. So for this example, I'm going to actually copy and paste all of the bullet points from the professional experience section that ChatGPT gave us. And I'm going to type in the message bar, refine my work experience to stand out to a hiring manager. And then I'm going to copy and paste all of those bullet points that it had given us previously and then hit submit. And with that, now you can see ChatGPT has taken those original bullet points and actually given us a refined version of those that go a bit further and sound a bit more professional. This may spark some ideas for you guys that you might want to pull from and add to your own resume. And also with ChatGPT, you can hit the regenerate button right here as many times as you want and receive a new response that you might think is maybe better or again sparks a new idea for you. This is just one of the many ways you can use ChatGPT to prepare for your next job interview. And remember to be very specific with your questions and play around with different ideas to see what kind of responses you can come up with. And also stay tuned for next week where we will be discussing other ways you can utilize ChatGPT when preparing for your next job interview.